Using a health savings account or HSA card is a great way to save money on medical expenses. But it can be confusing if you are new to it. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to use your HSA card effectively. First, understand what an HSA is. It is a special savings account for people with high deductible health plans, allowing you to set aside pre-tax dollars for medical expenses. The HSA card is linked to this account and can be used to pay for qualified medical expenses. To start using your HSA card, you need to know what expenses are eligible. These include doctor visits, prescription medications, glasses, and even some over-the-counter medications. You can find a list of eligible expenses on the IRS website or through your HSA provider. When you need to pay for a medical expense, simply swipe your HSA card at the doctor's office or pharmacy. Just like you would with a credit or debit card, make sure to keep your receipts, as you may need them to verify the expenses. It is also important to note that you can use your HSA card for expenses for yourself, your spouse, and your dependents. However, you should only use the card for qualified medical expenses, as using it for non-qualified expenses can result in penalties and taxes. Another key concept to understand is that HSA funds roll over from year to year, so you do not have to worry about losing your money if you do not use it all in one year. This makes HSAs a great long-term savings tool for medical expenses. To get the most out of your HSA card, consider the following best practices. First, contribute as much as you can to your HSA each year, as the funds are tax deductible. Second, keep track of your expenses and receipts to ensure you are using the card correctly. Finally, take advantage of any investment options offered by your HSA provider to help your savings grow over time. In summary, using an HSA card is a straightforward process, as long as you understand what expenses are eligible and keep track of your spending. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of your HSA and save money on medical expenses. Remember to always use your HSA card responsibly and for qualified medical expenses only.